Pizza roll in the Omnia Stovetop oven. Crispy, golden and easy. Today I'm making a pizza roll in the Omnia Stovetop oven. For the ingredients I use fresh dough, tomato sauce, 2 different cheeses, some vegetables and thin sliced salami. This is the flame regulator. Here is the Omnia setup. Preheat the Omnia with the flame regulator until it reaches around 200 to 220 degrees Celsius. Roll out the dough. Remove it from the baking paper and start building the filling. Spread the tomato sauce evenly over the dough. Add the first layer of cheese. Now the second layer of cheese. Add a layer of vegetables. And finally, the thin sliced salami. Carefully roll the dough up. When you reach the end, turn the roll slightly. Before closing the roll, brush the edge lightly with water. This helps seal it. Bend the dough into a ring shape so it fits inside the Omnia silicone mold. Place the pizza roll into the mold and adjust the shape if needed. Close the seam firmly so the cheese and vegetables stay inside while baking. Create a few small ridges on top. Keep the seam facing upward and well sealed. Add another layer of cheese on top. Finish with a spicy cheese for extra flavor. Place the mold into the preheated Omnia. As you can see, the temperature drops quickly. Bake on full flame for about 20 minutes with the flame regulator underneath. If the temperature drops too much, tilt the lid slightly for a minute to improve air circulation. For the last 5 to 10 minutes, remove the flame regulator. This makes the pizza roll crisp up and turn beautifully golden. And here is the result. Crispy, golden, and easy to make. See you in the next episode of Cooking on the Square Meter with the Omnia. Ma.